What's going on, y'all? So I am actually doing an unboxing of this Rasasi fragrance. It is called, I'm gonna butcher it. I think it's Shirah. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. However, kind of piqued my interest a while back that I was looking for something kind of cheap and unique, but this was, you know, kind of hitting the mark because I like Rasasi fragrances. Like I like La Yucawam, which is a take on the Tom Ford tobacco. Oh no, not tobacco. I'm screwing it up. Tuscan leather. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's to me, it's not going to be as polished and round and what you would expect from a Tom Ford fragrance. However, it really does smell like it in the air, and at least from recent formulations, it's much more potent and it just all around is just a more robust fragrance. Not as polished or anything like that, but that's kind of what you're gonna get with, a $50 fragrance versus $330. Regardless of if it's been reformulated and whatnot, it's still gonna have better raw materials. How much better? I'm not sure, but in general, Rasasi does a good job. But let's see what we've got in store for Shiraz. I believe it's supposed to have kind of a little bit of a fresher take, but it's unique. It's not supposed to be copying anything, at least as far as I know, because Versace does do a lot of like clones or inspired by fragrances. Um, Packaging is nice. It's got kind of this texture to it. Has this detail in the back. Versace. So I do think this is an original fragrance from them. Oh, it's gorgeous. The blue juice, very nice. A nice thick bottom. It is made in Dubai, 90 mil. I got this for $24. So 3 ounces, 90 mil, 20 bucks. The cap is also pretty decent. Nothing crazy. The atomizer is going to be a little bit kind of cheap. I can already see some chipping in it, and it's brand new. But let's check this out. Let's see here. Wow. Okay, so it's got kind of this fruity, spicy, clean opening to it. Nothing super distinctive. There's definitely something kind of floating in the background. Maybe it's the tobacco, because I did and it's not like it's like a pipe tobacco, like a greenish tobacco to it. Um, Clean. It it the blue juice lends something to it. Not aquatic, a little soapy, a little fruity, almost latexy. It's kind of bringing me back to this scent. If you've ever been to the dentist, and I think because they use latex, one for the gloves, but then they're also doing those molds when they mold your teeth for whatever. If you need like orthodontist work or just they want to get a mold of your teeth for whatever reason, usually orthodontist work. It kind of has that vibe to it, not in a bad way. And maybe if you associate the dentist or the orthodontist and negatively, you might hate it. Uh, but I like it. It's a very, it really doesn't smell like anything that I have. And that is, it's drying down to a soap. Oh man, it's it's clean. Opening that first 30 seconds, it's got a lot of things it's throwing at you, and then after that, it's drying down to kind of a more soapy fragrance, almost like ivory, which I use. Um, but overall, impressed for $24. Holy hell. It doesn't smell like a $24 fragrance, that's for damn sure. if you're in this game long enough, you can smell cheaper, less, you know, less quality ingredients and whatnot. This is no alcohol. I don't smell any alcohol off the top. And yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm going to be enjoying wearing this and kind of seeing, especially what my wife thinks, and people around me, what their thoughts are on it. So yeah, that is open first impressions, blind buy. Didn't buy the, I had never smelt this, and also the unboxing of Rasasi Shuhrah. Check it out, $24. If you want something that you probably haven't smelled in a while, like maybe ever, and you're willing to spend 24 bucks on it, try it out. I can't say more than that because it's only been, I don't know, 5 minutes, 4 minutes since I've been smelling it. But overall, yeah, I think performance is pretty good. And because I mean that was what, 2 or 3 sprays. I am in the car, so we'll see what it smells like out in the air. But Rasasi, I should say, is going to be usually a powerhouse as far as performance. So I'm speaking probably a little bit too soon on that one, but that's my guess. In any case, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.